Hello everyone. If you're coming from previous Affinity app, this feature will look familiar. But if you just downloaded and started using Affinity, you'll definitely want to know this. Affinity has this cool feature that allows you to search and use free stock images right inside the app. You don't need to go to the stock image websites to download before using them in your design. What you can do is look for the stock panel in your workspace. If you don't see it, that means you haven't enabled it. I'll show you how to do it. Click on the three dots at the bottom of the tool panel. Click Panels, and then look for Stock and enable it. This will bring up the stock panel to your workspace. When you click the panel, you'll see this information and an option box to let you select between Pexels and Pixabay. Both of these are free stock image providers. Let's try Pexels. But before that, check this to accept the terms and conditions. I'm going to key in plants in the search bar. The result will show up here right inside the panel. If I double-click the image, I'll be directed to its website. I don't want to do that, so I just click and drag the image to the canvas. A small box will pop up showing the details of the image. I'll just close it, and the image is ready to use. It makes my job faster and easier. So next time when you're working with Affinity and need some completely free high-resolution images, you know where to quickly get them. If you find this video useful, give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe or follow for more. Thanks for watching.